Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair JBL Live 500 with your Windows laptop or PC. So first of all, you have to locate this button, move it to activate your headphones. Right now, just rotate and find this Bluetooth button. Click on it once to enable the pairing mode. There it is. Right now, just open the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices, turn it on with the switcher, click to add device and select Bluetooth. From the list, select JBL Live 500. Okay, and right now you can go for the sound settings. And check if our headphones are selected for the output and the input device. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.